this video right here is for my ladies. What's the point of buying this super expensive hair if you just, you know, trying to get a little look in, you feel me? Today I will be not only showing you guys how to do my quick weaves, I'll be using some hair that I ain't never used before. So this is the Organique, or Organic, I don't know how you say it, anyways. Hair that I will be using. I'm doing a deep side part and the inches are 30, 20, and 222s. So I got a 30 because I wanted to kind of layer it, but y'all see when I do what I do. Anyways, this is the hair. It'll be pizza blonde. Right now, I kind of just, y'all, I'm about to look a hot mess, but look, this is not the time to look sexy. I want y'all to know that. So I did my braid down and I took some concealer to show y'all where my part is at. And I'm gonna pull this over my ears. As y'all can see, my stocking cap is not the best, but that don't really matter. I'm gonna take my earrings out right now, by the way. So right now I'm looking like a little boy, but we're gonna be alright. Do not be ghetto. The things you will need for this tutorial is scissors, glue, a blow dryer, and your protectant. Whatever protectant you're using. I either use the black one or the clear one. And this protectant just makes sure that your glue does not touch your hair. I usually just cut like this, just chop it like that, just to get my ears out. And I use 2 caps. Okay, so now we look crazy as hell. I already sprayed my Got to Be glue spray on there. That's why I look kind of dusty or whatever. Earrings takes us from a 2 to like a solid 8. So now we look crazy, but we don't look crazy for real. So the next step is that we use our protectant. You can either use I don't really have a favorite between the clear and the black, but it's more, I have more in the black, so I'm gonna use the black today. I use my hands. Some people use a brush. I'm not gonna use no brush because I like to make sure that it's smeared everywhere. So I'm gonna take this. By the way, people do their quick weaves different, so as long as you do it to your liking, don't let nobody tell you, oh, you're doing something wrong. That's just the way they do it. My first video, I did a sew-in. This lady told me that I did my braid down wrong. And I'm like, first of all, can't nobody even see the freaking braids. So get your uneducated behind on. You wear black. I forgot to tell y'all that because I just messed this up and it's dripping everywhere. But I be messy every time I do my quick weaves anyways. I'm prepared to get a little messy. So just doing this, I just squeezed a lot. And I'm just gonna rub it all over. Make sure you get the back really good. And put enough on there for it to soak into the other cap. So it won't be like you just molding one cap and then your quick weave is loose. You don't want that. So I'm gonna put a little bit more because it seems like majority of it is pretty saturated. This is what it looks like. It looks pretty wet. We look crazy. Girls, we look crazy. If you're following me, it's okay to look like this right now because guess what? The end result is all that matters. We're gonna take our blow dryer and I take this little nozzle right here because it like gets to exactly where you need it to get. And we're gonna blow dry this until it gets hard. This stuff, the protectant, it dries pretty fast. So I won't be blow drying for long. But I will come back when it's fully blow dried so you guys can see what it looks like. All right, my lovely ladies, this is what it looks like when it's completely dry. As you can see, it is darker and it's hard. So yeah, by the time it's time for you to take this out, all you really have to do is put your head in the water, and then the stuff will loosen up, so it won't be no glue on your hair, period. So the rest of this video pretty much will be like more of just watch and look how I lay my tracks and stuff. I won't really talk too much. I will tell y'all though, when I get to like right here, it's when I will cut this part, because then it's fully laid, and then y'all will just see what I do. So stay tuned.
It's not that I want you here, yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. You can't get away. Palm trees, beach views, and everything. All I wanna do is send them pictures on replay. Still right next to you. You try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away. It's still right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Around. I want you around. Around.